Pdiang sngewbha pi shaka FLOWDA MILES Channel. Lada fi sngewtynnad yak video sngewbha ban like, share and subscribe. Khublei uba Ardent mile basai Mynta Sngi ula aya ka Kylli sha menteri rang ba uba pynmih yaka Pule Puthi Rakkam Sangma haka jinge dei bat ka chaka ba ka sarkar ka thet nakabanta ka college hamau phlang Sngap ayu menteri ujubab nakabanta kane.
One clarification, as per the statement given by the honorable member from Mauplang, he mentioned that the land has not yet been officially handed over. Is it that true? And if it is true, then how the construction has already started?
Speaker, sir. So that exact original copy of all things is not with me right now, sir. But however, the demarcation of lands, all things has been completed. But sir, that exact reply on the handing over and the taking over of the land is not with me, sir. So, sir, I require notice.
So, it will be a surprise to learn that the progress of the work has already reached 72% without having completed the handing over of land to the government. So in case the landowner changed the mind, what will be the fate of this institution?
Sir, that reply is not with me right now. But sir, without the consent of the landowner, nothing not able to start, sir.
Sir, I think this is a very serious matter. We cannot base things on presumption. So it has to be black and white, especially when it comes to handing over of land to the government. This is very important. Otherwise, the building may be completed, but the owner of the land may not allow the government to start. So it will be a wastage of investment. So may I request the government to take up this matter very seriously?
Sir, without the consent of the land owner, nothing can be started. But so with the consent of the landowner, the project has been taken off, sir.